All right, so you get your Jaguar key. If you look on the side, there's a little arrow pointing up, and you're gonna push up on that while you push down on the black part. So it's push down here and up right there. This slides up. See how there's a little gap? This comes off. You got your blade right here, and this is the piece that you would use to gain access to the car if your battery died. And you'll take the blade, stick it in the little hole right there, just kind of pry it a little bit. Do this without breaking anything. So just pried it open, and then make sure, remember which way this battery was facing, so when you take it out, you know which way to put the new battery back in. And then you've got to basically put the case back on, click it back together, put your blade back in here, and then this little arrow, you know, right here, and slide back down. Ta-da! All right, cool. Hope that helps. Call me if you need anything.